In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an AI video using Pictory. Now, if you're new to Pictory, it's a powerful AI video editing tool that's designed to help you create engaging videos with ease. Let's dive right in and explore how you can leverage this platform to bring your ideas to life. First, head over to the Pictory.ai homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice several options for starting your video project. What you'll want to do is click on the text to video option. While Pictory offers other features like URL to video or image to video, for this tutorial, we'll focus on converting text into a compelling video. Once you've selected text to video, you'll see an option to start with an idea. This step is especially helpful if you're not entirely sure where to start. By clicking on this, Pictory will guide you through the initial setup, making the process more approachable for beginners. Next, you'll need to type in a prompt or a title for your video. This could be anything from a creative story title to a straightforward instructional headline. Making your prompt clear and engaging is crucial as it sets the stage for the video narrative. After entering your prompt, it's time to decide on the length of your video. Pictory gives you the flexibility to choose how long you want your video to be, ensuring it fits your specific needs and the platform you're targeting. Speaking of platforms, the next step involves selecting the platform where you'd like to post your video. Whether it's for social media, a professional website, or any other platform, choosing the right destination helps optimize your video for its audience. With all these settings in place, you'll click on Generate Script. Pictory will work its magic, generating a script that aligns with your prompt and video length. This script forms the backbone of your video, so take a moment to review it and make any necessary tweaks to ensure it meets your vision. Once you're satisfied with the script, you have the option to adjust the aspect ratio and other scene settings. This customization ensures that your video looks polished and professional, no matter where it's viewed. Now you're ready to click on Generate Video. But before you do, you can select a theme to give your video a cohesive look and feel. Pictory offers a range of themes that can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your project. If you encounter a prompt about stock images, simply click Got It to acknowledge that these images won't be included in your downloadable video. You'll then proceed to preview your video. This preview lets you see everything in action before the final export, allowing you to make any last-minute adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully created an AI-generated video using Pictory. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to producing engaging content in no time.